Una sa lahat, sobra akong nagpapasalamat sa Panginoon sa pagsagot niya sa panalangin ko at ito yung pagtayo natin sa altar kasama ka.
To the man I've been with for 11 years, I want to let you know how grateful I am that God has given you to me as my better half.
But I was told as I grew old, if I ever get a hand to
At nangangakong mamahalin, aalagaan, iintindihin at susuportahan.
and I held on to that.
Colleen, sana matuwa ka sa gift ko sa'yo. Enjoy our wedding day. Can't wait to see you. First of many. Ron.
Dear Baba, see you at the altar. I love you. Whoa!
Okay. Natupad din yung parinig.
Whoa! Thank you. Thank you, Ba. See you.
Climb the highest mountain to find the prettiest view. Like how I had to have my heart broken before I could get to
You've been through a lot.
had to make all those
I saw you on your lowest point in your life. And always remind you na kaya mo yan. Kaya natin yan.
we fight. I never thought the time would come when I could say I found the one I'd want to spend a lifetime with. Though it's been tough just getting through, as I was on my way to you, I don't regret the time we've lost.
Salamat sa 11 years nating pagsasama at ngayon magiging panghabang buhay mo.
Our love was worth the wait. I had to climb the highest mountain to find the prettiest view. Like how I had to have my heart broken before I could get to you. I had to make all those mistakes to say it.
Thank you for all the hard work just to give me this dream wedding. Lagi ko nga sinasabi parang hindi ko na kaya ng LDR kasi nasanay tayo na lagi tayong magkasama. Pero you always cheer me up na konting tiis lang. Magkakasama rin tayo in time.
You may not be my first love, but you will be my last love. I know this will last love. 'Cause I had to climb the highest mountain to find the prettiest view. Like how I had to have my heart broken before I could get to you. I had to make all those mistakes to say I finally got it right. And darling, you are worth. Darling, you are worth. Darling, we are worth every
Thank you
fight.
for loving my family. I know na mas love mo sila kaysa sa akin. Thank you for understanding sa mga times na alam kong pagod ka na. Pero hindi ka sumuko para sa akin. Alam ko gano'n ka ka-excited sa araw na to.
Sa hirap man o ginhawa, pangako ko sa'yo, haharapin natin ito ng magkasama. Colleen, ikaw ang biyaya sa akin ng may kapal na buong buhay kong ipagpapasalamat sa Kanya. Mahal na mahal kita, Colleen.
upon us and never let you down. And spend my life building a family you have always prayed for. I love you so much, Papa. Colleen.